Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Recently I've been getting questions about from talent about what type of acting style that needs to be utilized in our experimental horror films here in the Philippine Islands. These are, here again, experimental films, experimental horror films. So the acting needs to be artistic acting. More pantomime and things like that. You're going to be doing a lot of screaming and stuff of that nature, but it's not going to be the typical running around from the perpetrator, things like that, from the weapons. Check out some films online as far as experimental horror films go. One that I would suggest from 1990, which is one of my favorites, would be Begotten. That would definitely be a prime example. However, we're going to do our own style. But if you want a particular acting style just to get an idea, understanding that experimental horror films are not very understood in the Philippines, then that is the film to go with. Alright, so I hope this helps you out. And remember, do subscribe to the YouTube channel, put a like on the videos to help boost us along, and join the Morbid Team Entertainment Barter, Buy, and Sell group to keep you all up to date. Alright, thanks a lot, and bye-bye.